Hello, Namaste. Myself is Dr. C.V. Pawar, Head of the Department of Zoology, Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Mahavidyalaya, Umarga. So friends, before starts our actual syllabus, I am going to take your syllabus. Means actually what type of syllabus is there. So in this semester, for the first year students, there are two papers, paper first as well as paper second is there. So I am going to take your paper number second, that is cell biology. Then in case of second year students, there is a semester third is there. So again here there are two papers, paper number 7th and paper number 8 is there. So I am going to take your paper number 8, that is the genetics second. Likewise, for the students of final year, they are in the semester 5th is there. So in 5th semester, there are again two papers, paper number 15 as well as paper number 16. So I am going to take your paper number 16A. So again question arises, what is A? So there are some selective papers are there. So say study of parasite, means parasitology is there. Then study of insect, that is entomology is there. Then study of fishes, that is the fishery science. So for the sake of our convenience, so we are much more familiar with the fishes, therefore we are going to take your first stream, that is the first series to paper named as fishery science. So again this paper is again divided into two papers. So paper first means particularly the fishery science paper first in the semester 5th. Likewise remaining half mean the paper second or particularly fishery science paper second is in the semester 6th there. So for this semester means semester 1st, semester 3rd and semester 5th. So there are three different papers for three different years. For first year, paper number 1st and 2nd for first semester. Then for the second year, paper number 7th and paper number 8 for the semester 3rd is there. Likewise, in case of the third year students, they are having two papers in this semester, means semester 5th, paper 15 as well as paper 16. Clear? Then now we will turn over to our first year students. So in first year, as I told, the paper number second for me, or for paper number second is I am going to take your paper number second is there. So name of the paper is cell biology. So in this paper there are three main chapters. So first chapter deals with all the information about the general structure of cells. Means your name of this paper, that is the general structure of cell. So in these chapters there are some bits, there are some topics comes under this general structure of cell is there. So in which first topic or first bit, that is the prokaryotic cell, means structure of prokaryotic cells. Likewise topic second is structure of eukaryotic cells, means in this case you will have to study both prokaryotic cells as well as eukaryotic cells. Then lastly you will study the difference between two types of the cells, means what is the particular difference between the prokaryotic cells as well as the eukaryotic cells. Clear? Then another topics from this chapter, that is the general structure of cells, that is the cell cycle. Then mitosis and meiosis, means three subarticles topics from the general structure of cells: prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, cell cycle, mitosis and meiosis. So this is about the chapter number first, general structure of cell. Then chapter number second. So chapter number second is again divided into two halves. In first halves, you will have to study different types of the cell organelles. Means the name of the chapter is organization of cells. In organization of cell, there are certain cell organelles. For example, endoplasmic reticulum is there, mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi bodies. So in these particular chapters, you will have to study structure and function of the particular cell organelles. Meaning in first case, endoplasmic reticulum, you will have to study its structure as well as its function. Likewise, in Golgi complex, then lysosomes, mitochondria, structure and function is there. Then beside this, you will have to study structure of DNA. You will have to study the structure of DNA. Likewise, structure of RNA, then types of RNAs. So all this study comes under your chapter number second, that is the organization of cell. Then the second half of this chapter is cytology of cancer. In this particular topic, you will have to study the types of cancer, then preventive measures, then control measures, means types of cancer, definition of cancer, what is cancer. Then after the definition, you will have to know certain types of the cancer based on the its location, its effectiveness. So all these things or all the details I will cover at the time of a particular lecture is there. So before that, at least initially you should know something about your framework of the particular syllabus. So that's why this is necessary to know what is the content present in this particular paper, in this particular syllabus. Then chapter number third. So chapter number third is methods in cell biology. So here in this case also there are two parts. In first parts, you will have to study different types of microscopes, means types of microscopes are there. In this, you should concentrate over on the light microscopes, phase contrast microscopes, as well as the electron microscopes. So three microscopes you will have to study: its structural aspect, then different parts, different sections, then actual processing of this observing these microscopes. All these things covers under the types of microscopes. Then second half is, that is the how to study the cell biology. In this case, there are preparation of slide preparation is there. Then preparing the particular slides are there. So these slides is having some technical knowledge. So this technical knowledge based on this what type of cell is there. Then some instruments are there. So here in this case in our lab there is one instrument named as a microtome machine. So with the help of microtome machine we will study this particular topic. Hello, so this is all about the first year students. So I think this is first year student. Thank you very much.